Hi aspirants, it's Adil sir, your English language trainer. We present you 300 most important daily English speaking sentences. That's not ordinary video like others. एक ह्यूमन बीइंग सबसे ज़्यादा जिन sentences को यूज़ करते हैं, एक रिसर्च के बाद इस वीडियो को कंपोज किया जा रहा है. दिस वीडियो इज़ फॉर बिगनर्स, एवरेज स्टूडेंट्स and advanced level students. Just listen and repeat after me. And if you do more often than not, that will definitely takes you towards your destination. Let's dive into the video. आप हमेशा मुझे बदनाम करते हैं. You always defame me. You always defame me. मैं उसकी बातों में आ जाता हूँ. I get into his words. I get into his words. मैं आसानी से समझ जाता हूँ. I easily get in. I easily get in. हर बार उसे पता चल जाता है. She gets to know all the time. She gets to know all the time. उसे समझाया मत करो. Don't make him out. Don't make him out. परेशान होने की ज़रूरत नहीं. Don't need to be bothered. Don't need to be bothered. तुम उसका पीछा क्यों करते हो? Why do you chase him? Why do you chase him? आप हमेशा मुझे गलत समझ लेते हो. You always get me wrong. You always get me wrong. आप छोटी छोटी बातों पर लड़ लेते हो. You fight over petty issues. You fight over petty issues. मैं तुम्हारे इरादे जानता हूँ. I know your intentions. I know your intentions. आप तुरंत घबरा जाते हैं. You get worried in no time. You get worried in no time. तुम कुछ भी जानते ही नहीं. You know nothing. You know nothing. ठीक है, मैं उससे बात करके देखता हूँ. Okay, I just talk to him. Okay, I just talk to him. आप सबकी पोल खोल देते हैं. You expose everyone. You expose everyone. वह रिश्वत लेता है. He accepts bribe. He accepts bribe. आप लोग मुझसे जलते हो. You jealous of me. You jealous of me. सब खेल पैसा का है. It's all about game of money. It's all about game of money. क्या आप अभी नींद में हो? Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy? अनसुना मत करो. Don't turn a deaf ear. Don't turn a deaf ear. मैंने उससे माफ़ी नहीं मांगा. I did not apologize to him. I did not apologize to him. आपका गुस्सा जायज़ है. Your anger is justified. Your anger is justified. इसका क्या मतलब है? What does it mean? What does it mean? आराम से इसे करो. Take it easy. Take it easy. मौका को हाथ से मत जाने दो. Don't let the chance go off. Don't let the chance go off. क्या आप मेरे साथ चलेंगे? Will you accompany me? Will you accompany me? आराम से बैठिए. Make yourself comfortable. Make yourself comfortable. गुस्सा थूक दो. Spit away the anger. Spit away the anger. ज़रूर कोई बात है. It's definitely something. It's definitely something. ज़्यादा बकबकाओ मत. Don't chatter much. Don't chatter much. बात को ज़्यादा बढ़ाओ मत. Don't stress the matter. Don't stress the matter. कबाब में हड्डी मत बनो. Don't play gooseberry. Don't play gooseberry. पैर मत घसीटो. Don't drag your feet. Don't drag your feet. उसका मजाक मत बनाओ. Don't make a fun of him. Don't make a fun of him. मुझे अपना ही समझो. Consider me your own. Consider me your own. मुझे ताने मत मारो. Don't taunt me. Don't taunt me. मुझे ये सब मत बताओ. Don't tell me all this. Don't tell me all this. यह करना ज़रूरी है. It has to be done. It has to be done. तुम गिर जाओगे. You may fall down. You may fall down. अभी मैं व्यस्त हूँ। I'm busy right away. I'm busy right away. यह बड़ा अजीब बात है। It's a strange thing. It's a strange thing. थोड़ा खा लीजिए। Have a bit. Have a bit. क्या मैं आपसे कुछ पूछूं? Can I ask you something? Can I ask you something? वह कैसे कामयाब हुआ? How did he succeeded? How did he succeeded? क्या आप उसे कह देंगे? Would you tell him? Would you tell him? देरी के लिए माफ करें। Sorry for being late. Sorry for being late. शिक्षक होने के नाते being a teacher, being a teacher, मुझे और पैसा चाहिए। I want more money. I want more money. एक बात याद रखना। Remember one thing. Remember one thing. मुझे पागल मत करो। Don't drive me nuts. Don't drive me nuts. मैं रास्ते में हूँ। I'm on my way. I'm on my way. अब आपकी बारी। Now your turn. Now your turn. क्या आपने कभी देखा? Have you ever seen? Have you ever seen? सच छिपाया नहीं जा सकता। Truth can't be concealed. Truth can't be concealed. आपसे बाद में बात करते हैं। Talk to you later. Talk to you later. मैं पूरी कोशिश करूँगा। I'll try my level best. I'll try my level best. आपकी बातों में दम है। Your words have weight. Your words have weight. मैं 10 बजे तक कर दूँगा। I'll do by 10 o'clock. I'll do by 10 o'clock. मैं आपसे माफ़ी मांगता हूँ। I beg your pardon. I beg your pardon. मेरी ट्रेन छूट गई। I missed my train. I missed my train. बाल में कंघी करो। Comb your hair. Comb your hair. अगली बार आपसे मिलते हैं। See you next time. See you next time. अभी मैं थोड़ा व्यस्त हूँ। I'm busy a bit now. I'm busy a bit now. बीच में बोलने के लिए माफ़ करें। I'm sorry to interrupt you. I'm sorry to interrupt you. आपकी जवाबदेही मेरी है। You are my responsibility. You are my responsibility. क्या आपकी ट्रेन छूट गई? Did you miss your train? Did you miss your train? आपने कर दिखाया। You just made it. You just made it. आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई। Pleased to meet you. Pleased to meet you. मुझे ऑफिस के लिए देर हो रही है। I'm getting late for office. I'm getting late for office. असुविधा के लिए माफ़ करें। Sorry for the inconvenience. Sorry for the inconvenience. यह उचित नहीं है। That's not fair. That's not fair. मैं आपको बाद में कॉल करूँगा। I'll call you later. I'll call you later. क्या यह रास्ता स्टेशन को जाती है? Does this way go to the station? Does this way go to the station? कौन तुम्हें भला बुरा कहता है? Who calls you evils? Who calls you evils? मुझे तो कुछ भी पता नहीं इसके बारे में। I don't know anything about it. I don't know anything about it. यह तरीका कभी काम नहीं आता। The method never works. The method never works. कुछ न कुछ हमेशा गड़बड़ हो जाता है। Something or other always goes wrong. Something or other always goes wrong. अब तुम मुझे नहीं भाते। Now I don't relish you. Now I don't relish you. तुम मुझे ऐसा करने पर मजबूर कर देते हो। You compel me to do so. You compel me to do so. मुझे सब पता चल जाता है। I get to know everything. I get to know everything. मुझे किसी चीज़ की कमी नहीं। We don't lack anything. We don't lack anything. मेरे इरादे ऐसे नहीं थे। I didn't have such intentions. I didn't have such intentions. समय के साथ सब ठीक हो जाएगा। Time will change everything. टाइम विल चेंज एवरीथिंग। तुम बागी बन गए हो। यू टर्न अ ट्रैटर। यू टर्न अ ट्रैटर। अपनी नज़र नीचे रखो। कीप योर आइज डाउन। कीप योर आइज डाउन। मैं तुम्हें घुटनों पर लाकर खड़ा कर दूंगा। I'll bow you down. I'll bow you down. आप मुझे झूठा विश्वास दिला रहे हैं। You are giving me false assurances. You are giving me false assurances. मामला अभी खत्म नहीं हुआ है। The matter is not over yet. The matter is not over yet. अपने दिमाग से यह बात निकाल दो। Take out this thing from your mind. Take out this thing from your mind. तुमने मुझे सबके सामने खरी खोटी सुनाई। You rebuked me before everyone. You rebuked me before everyone. तुमने मेरे नाक में दम कर रखा है। You've got on my nerves. You've got on my nerves. मैं तुमसे छुटकारा पाना चाहता हूँ। I want to get rid of you. I want to get rid of you. तुम में इतना घमंड किस बात का है? Why is there so vanity in you? Why is there so vanity in you? तुमने मेरा सिर शर्म से झुका दिया है। You made my head hang on shame. You made my head hang on shame. मैं तुम्हारी बात में आने वाला नहीं। I'm not going to get into your talks. I'm not going to get into your talks. तुमने तो मुझे फंसवा ही दिया था। You have got me entangled. You have got me entangled. मैंने आपको कई बार बताया है। I told you multiple times. I told you multiple times. उसने अपनी गलती मान ली है। He admitted his mistake. He admitted his mistake. वह माफ़ी मांगने को तैयार है। He is apologetic. He is apologetic. समस्या और बढ़ गई है। Problem has turned more acute. Problem has turned more acute. कई बार जो दिखता है वो होता नहीं। Oftentimes things are not what they seem like. Oftentimes things are not what they seem like. हमें किसी को दोषी नहीं मानना चाहिए। We should not consider anyone guilty. We should not consider anyone guilty. इतना तो हम समझने की कोशिश कर सकते हैं। The least we can try to understand. The least we can try to understand. बात और बिगड़ गई है। The matter has become more complex. The matter has become more complex. जियो और जीने दो। Live and let live. Live and let live. इस बात का ख्याल रखना। Keep this thing in mind. Keep this thing in mind. आप सब बात हंसकर टाल देते हो। You put off everything by laughing. You put off everything by laughing. इस दुनिया में कोई किसी का नहीं। No one is in this world for anyone. No one is in this world for anyone. किसी के लिए आंसू मत बहाओ। Never shed tears for anyone. Never shed tears for anyone. यह तुम्हारे बाप की जागीर नहीं। It's not a estate of your father. It's not a estate of your father. मुझे गाली मत दो। Don't call me names. Don't call me names. इसका अंजाम बुरा होगा। Its consequences will be undesired. Its consequences will be undesired. मैं इसे करके दिखा दूंगा। I'll make it. I'll make it. आपको पहले ही कर देना चाहिए था। You should have done a long time ago. You should have done a long time ago. आप इसके लायक थे। You deserved it. You deserved it. तुम्हें जल्द ही पता चल जाएगा। You'll find out soon. You'll find out soon. मुझे नहीं पता क्या हुआ था। I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened. मैं ऐसा क्यों करूँगा? Why would I do that? Why would I do that? तो मैं क्या करूँ? So what do I do? So what do I do? मेरे हाथ काँप रहे हैं। My hands are shaking. My hands are shaking. तुम कितने डरपोक हो। You are such a wimp. यू आर सच अ वेम। जो तुम्हें सोचना है सोचो। थिंक वॉट यू मे। थिंक वॉट यू मे। तुम्हें इससे क्या मतलब? What does it matter to you? What does it matter to you? उसे भागने मत देना। Don't let him get away. Don't let him get away. मेरे लिए आप मुसीबत में मत पड़ो। Don't get into trouble yourself over me. Don't get into trouble yourself over me. आप उससे पंगा मत लो। You don't mess with him. You don't mess with him. नहीं जानना ही अच्छा है। It's better not knowing. It's better not knowing. तुम वहां चले जाओ। You go over there. You go over there. कपड़े निचोड़ दो। Squeeze out the clothes. Squeeze out the clothes. जूता का फीता खुला है। Shoelace is undone. Shoelace is undone. यह तुम्हारा वहम है। It's your illusion. It's your illusion. आप थोड़े घबराए से लगते हो। You look rather worried. You look rather worried. मैं अक्सर आपको देखता हूँ। I see you quite often. I see you quite often. अभी नहीं, बाद में। Not now, later. Not now, later. उसकी बात छोड़ो, मेरी बात सुनो। Let him be. Listen to me. Let him be. Listen to me. फ्री हो गए क्या? Got free. Got free. जाहिर सी बात है। It's obvious. It's obvious. बात बिल्कुल साफ है। The matter is quite clear. The matter is quite clear. मैं आपसे जल्द मिलूंगा। I'll catch you soon. I'll catch you soon. पार्टी के लिए तैयार हो जाइए। Get ready to party. Get ready to party. उम्मीद करते हैं अगली बार मिलेंगे। Hope to see you next time. Hope to see you next time. मैं आज बिल्कुल थक गया हूँ। I'm quite exhausted today. I'm quite exhausted today. मुझे तो इसकी आदत हो गई है। I'm used to it. I'm used to it. अंत में वह चुप हो गया। He got silent eventually. He got silent eventually. यह तुम्हारे बस की बात नहीं। It's not your cup of tea. It's not your cup of tea. वह हमेशा अपनी ही बात कहता है। He always blows his own. He always blows his own.